Hello my dear students and those who are watching me right now. Hope that all of you are doing well, having a really very good time, staying at home and of course using mask while going out. If you are a beginner or if you have just started your journey to learn how to speak in English, to improve your English, then the video is for you. So just keep watching. Today I am going to share some of the tips that you can use to improve your skill, improve your English. First of all, don't be afraid of making mistakes. As a beginner, you might make a huge mistakes, and I personally think that making mistakes is actually learning something. So whenever you are making mistakes, you should not be hopeless, you should not be frustrated. Rather, you should actually think that you are learning something. And making mistakes is an essential part of your learning process. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Then the next tip is setting a goal. Just set a goal, and the goal is to learn English. The goal is to learn how to speak in English, and commit yourself that whatever it needs to learn English, you will do. The third tip is never give up. Suppose you're trying your level best, you're working hard, but sometimes it may seem that there is no progress. Even at that situation, you should not give up. You should keep practicing. You should keep going on. After that, practice each and every day. Practicing is the most important thing that you will have to do each and every day in order to learn English. The more you will practice, the more you will be able to learn new things. So try to practice each and every day if you want to improve your English. Next one is learn at least 5 new words every day. So learning 5 new words every day will enrich your vocabulary first. And learning new words is not enough. What you will have to do, that is, you will have to put the words into sentences and then write down the sentences on a paper, and whenever you're writing, try to speak the sentences. After that, the final and the last tip is group discussion. So group discussion is another important thing that you can do to improve your English skill. To learn how to speak in English, you should have a group discussion each and every day. Make a group of several members and try to communicate with the members of that group in English. So these are some of the tips that you can try to improve your English. There may have some other tips. You can add some other tips that will work for you. So best of luck for the beginners, and hope that all of you will be able to speak in English. Thank you so much for watching. Have a really very good day.